Welcome back to my more important analysis videos on Tuesday, the 8th of May, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at Eurodollar, which continues to trend lower, doesn't it? I mean, I was looking this morning at Eurodollar, the fact that you've had a couple of sort of little upper tails that have tested this downtrend, but it seems as though that the dollar remains strong. It's sort of renewed its sort of downside move this morning. So we're 30 odd pips down on the day. We're now back below 1915 again. That support from the January low, we're into sort of new 2018 lows again. So the last couple of days, that's how we've been moving. And you look at the sort of the next sort of support levels, and you're looking at the 15s, 1815 as that sort of late December low, but then 1715 is this reaction low here from the December low. And yeah, it certainly looks as though it just continues to fall away. And the momentum indicators are negative, aren't they? They are really negative. The MACD line's still in decline. The stochastics showing nothing in terms of a recovery. The RSI 25. I mean, I've been talking about how strong this trend is. I don't see why this trend isn't just going to continue, really. I mean, you had, as I said, a couple of intraday sort of looks at sort of starting to break the downtrend, but it didn't really take hold. And you've got this corrective move of November 2016, where the RSI went to sort of the low 20s and was below 30 for a good long while. So there is precedent for the RSI being in a strong trending market, which this clearly is. RSI sort of moving into the low 20s. So there is still no real let-up in the dollar strength that we've seen, and this hourly chart again reflects a little sort of couple of tests of this downtrend, but nothing breaking it yet. This 89, if I take that back, 89-hour moving average has become a good basis of resistance, so that comes in at 1955 at the moment. So perhaps watch out for that, but yeah. Any rallies are being sold into, the hourly failing at sort of mid-50s to 60 on the RSI. Even 50 today, where the sort of market turned lower. MACD line's crossing back lower. Stochastic still got further downside potential. So, yeah, there's no real reason why this is going to sort of suddenly start to turn higher. I think that perhaps you could start to, with the steepness of that selling pressure, could start to see a bit of a consolidation that starts to break that downtrend, but at the moment the market is just going with it, still continuing. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.